In the United States, the middle-class families make up more than 50% of its population. However, they are still faced with inequalities due to social, cultural, and political systems. The middle class does not make enough money to pay for college. However, they make too much to receive the financial aid they need. Kelly Gleiser is a freshman at Sioux Falls, Augustana. She is experiencing the challenges of paying for college as a middle-class college student.
Obviously, I did the FAFSA. We didn't get anything. Like, my parents make too much money for me to get any aid besides the government loans that basically everyone gets, which is $5,000 a year. The part I struggled with the most, because I am paying for school myself. I'm taking out loans and I'm gonna have to pay those off, so my parents aren't helping me at all. So obviously I had to think about that because it's all on me. So I was really stuck between Augustana, where I'm at right now, and Iowa State, just because Augustana was so much more expensive than Iowa State. So yeah, I was deciding the very last minute where I actually wanted to go, because I just didn't know, because I don't know, it was really hard. Just to put it in perspective, I guess, I did really decent in school, so I could have gotten to a lot of places. I got into U of M, which is a pretty decent school, but there literally was no way I would have been able to afford to go there. It was over $30,000 a year, and I could not see myself taking out loans just to go to that college, which sucks, because if I could have afforded that, I could have gone to U of M. So I don't know, that just kind of sucks, I guess. I'm not paying off my loans right now, which it's worrying. I'm gonna have to worry about it after I graduate. Maybe I'll get a job. I just don't have, with my major and being a cheer, I don't even have enough time to finish my homework, let alone have a job on top of it.
Heather Neeson is the Director of Talent Search at Briarcliff University. She is involved with many different aspects of secondary education.
So the TRIO program that I work for is called Educational Talent Search. It's a program for kids in 6th through 12th grade who are first generation and or limited income students who are interested in going to college. So what I do is I come out to North High and North Middle. We also serve East, West, South Sioux High School and Middle, and Heelan. We serve 1,000 students and we help them get ready for college. There's a formula that the government uses. It looks at how much money the family makes. It also looks at the age of the parents and also the family size. And so the less money parents make, the more money students can get. Everybody's figures an EFC, an expected family contribution. So the government figures out how much money they think their family could pay for them to go to college. And then the colleges take that number, and that's how they figure out their aid amount. Now every college does it different, because one college, maybe you have $1,000 EFC, so then they'll fill everything but $1,000, but it might be all loans.
Even though many middle-class families get little to no financial aid, they go to college and are forced to take out thousands of dollars in loans, with the average college student having around $28,650 in debt after graduation. These students go to college because they are pushed by schools and governmental systems, which are the same systems that cause inequality for the middle-class families.